If you're,
we're taking it to court. Write me up.
I didn't
Throw
say
me in jail. No, your word. I'm gonna charge you.
Oh, you're gonna charge me?
With what you just said. Write me up with what you said. No, I will sit in jail for what you said.
Listen, if you don't calm down now, you're gonna go for something.
Shut your mouth. Like I said, I've been there.
Relax. Go over there now. Sit tight. What's going on?
That's the man you gotta talk to.
You need to talk to me. This is who we're gonna talk to.
Well, alright. Well, the man was obviously acting a little out there.
Obviously, I wasn't here, so I don't know.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell me what's going on?
I'm still just trying to find my baggage.
Why don't you tell me what's going on?
And then after we got off the ground, because, like, you know, we don't really need to be doing this right here.
Control 131, I'm 1025. You can slow anybody down from now.
And they're still talking shit. It's just like, dude, stop talking shit.
Just tell me what the issue is.
That's what I'm saying. The issue is obviously two males butting heads.
Okay.
That's
so
the issue.
Did he get physical at any point?
No.
Did he put his hands on you? Did you put your hands on him?
Ah, and that's where it gets all f***ed up. Do you want to go through the cameras?
Oh, we will, yeah.
We'll go through the cameras and you tell me what happened.
But I'm trying to get what give you an opportunity
go through the
to tell me
cameras,
what's
you gotta
going
hold
on.
me, you just hold me.
Where's the other hand? This guy.
It really is no big deal.
Well, it is because we were called that you guys got into a fight, so that's what we're here for. And since you won't say yes or no that it got physical or not, I'm going to assume that it did.
It's not physical.
Okay, so why can't you
There's
just tell
no
me that?
physical.
Were you involved with him?
Yes.
What happened?
So I was standing here waiting for this guy. So he came up next to me. I was talking on the phone. He goes, boo. Like, he scares me. Yeah. So I look at him and he comes back and he's like, I like you. So he comes up, I'm like, stay away, stay away. So I've had a long day. I've been up since 5. I'm tired. So he comes here and he starts slamming his chest into me.
Okay.
Like going like that. So I push him away. Get the away. And he's like, I like you, sir, coming close. I'm not gonna lie. It's not like I swung at him. I like tapped his face. Because if I wanted to swing, I would have hurt him. But I don't want to. I can tell he's drunk. I work in a restaurant. I can tell when people are drunk. He came up to me and he's like, boo, I like you. Like that, so I swung. I didn't do anything. He was on the floor, and I'm like, stay away from me.
Okay.
So he came up and he started following me. Then look, he puts me in shit, and I'm like, you know what? I go down on the floor with him, and I'm waiting for him. I let him cuff me and choke me, waiting for him to see what he does. And I even told the guy, let the police come. Call security. There was a guy holding my glasses and my phone. I'm like, call security, call the police. I don't want to deal with that.
Okay.
I'm just here to pick my friend up from the airport. I'm tired. I got a shift at 6 a.m. Like, I'm trying to go home and get some, sleep.
So he chest bumped you to start all this?
No, first he came and scared me.
Okay.
And then he's like, I like you.
No, but the physical.
Yes, he came up to me first. I didn't go and touch him.
Chest bump.
Yeah.
Do you want to press charges?
I mean, he's drunk. Like, I don't want to take it to court and stuff like that, but...
Control 21. You got me a floor 29.
Like, look, I'm...
No, I got it. Do you need medical?
Nah, I'm good.
How much you had to drink tonight?
2 shots, Jack.
On the plane?
Yeah.
Where's the plane coming from?
She came from Chicago.
So what started the argument?
To be honest, I'm not for sure.
Okay.
Really not for sure why that guy was in my life.
Okay.
But then all of a sudden he got getting on there and he's like, well.
Was it over a bag or were you guys standing too close to each other? Like,
You're going to ask him. I'm going to let it all go there and let my lawyer take it from there.
well, that doesn't make sense, bro.
Yeah, well, that's just the way it goes with lawyers.
For a verbal
That's the way it
argument?
goes in.
Awesome if you took this guy to jail.
That's the way it goes.
He was harassing him the whole time. He started it, and the other guy.
He's just like.
Apparently you can't control your...
So here's them starting.
That's probably part of the issue.
They were both places for about several minutes.
I'm very
So, did you see the whole thing then?
So it started over there.
They just both arguing with each other, or he
was
drunk?
stirring. And then dude tried to get him away from
You
him.
kept pushing him. I see that.
Yeah, and he kept antagonizing, and that's when everything
Okay.
kind of took off.
All right. Thanks, hey, Billy here. Didn't get physical, huh? So you're a liar too, aren't you?
I just seen him argue, and I figured I'd start recording.
Kind.
Where's your?
Get out.
What flight did you come in on?
It's not even a fight.
What flight did you come in on?
Oh, it's from Chicago.
Which one? American?
And then you go down the
Southwest.
You'll see.
Southwest?
Yep.
So what are you doing over here?
I'm trying to find my luggage. And also
You're not even close. You're on
calling
the
my
other side.
sister at the same time. I'm just
Do me
trying
a
to
favor.
walk.
Do me a favor. Let me have your backpack. Take your backpack off. Hold on, quick. Thanks. Turn around real quick. Put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest for anything at this time, but I'm detaining you, okay?
You guys know each other?
No, hang on. Hang tight. Hang tight. Hang tight. Let go. Loose.
I'm loose.
No, you're not loose. You're tight.
No, that's my body. I am loose.
Let's go right over here. Just take him somewhere and sit him down real quick because he's drunk, Jay. I don't want him to fall down.
So they were standing over there, and I
What do you want over there?
Yeah. You flew in Southwest, bro. You didn't even make the right side. The red side's where Southwest is. You're on the blue side. You only had 2 shots. You sure?
I'm not perfect.
No, none of us are, man. Nobody said that.
Yeah, but I'm far from it.
No.
But I've trained with some of the best.
All right, have a seat. I don't want you to fall down. That's the only reason I'm
I'm not
detaining
gonna.
you.
Alright,
Listen.
alright.
Obviously, there was a physical fight between the two of you. I'm trying to figure out exactly what was going on.
It's not physical.
It was 100% physical. She's got
That's
a video.
not a fight.
Bro, she's got a video.
That's not a fight. You see how calm it was?
Calm?
Look at it. Watch it. Just watch it.
Buddy.
There was no elbow or fist thrown.
Really?
Yeah. There wasn't an elbow or fist.
I'll stand with him.
Please proceed to the Blue Express arrivals curve to be...
How old are you?
38.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
At this point, I'm from Tampa.
Are you just moving here?
No, I lived here.
Oh. Where'd you used to live?
Wisconsin.
Oh. How long have you lived down here?
Oh, a couple years.
You like it?
I love it.
Yep.
I'm a road guy. I'm construction.
Oh, you work construction? What kind?
It's really any kind of renovation I can do.
Like
You know,
home,
from
concrete,
home,
framing,
home,
what?
Home. No, tear home apart.
Yeah.
I'm really curious about what he's saying. He's thinking I was in a brawl.
He'll be over here in a
Like,
minute.
that stuff's not a brawl.
They'll be over here in a minute and
That's
talk to you.
minor stuff.
They'll be over here and talk to you in a minute.
There's no fist. If I was throwing fists, that dude wouldn't have been down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's not what, you don't just define what physical is.
No,
maybe
physical has been defined by human nature.
maybe it could have been more physical, but
No,
it was
no,
still
no,
physical.
No, I just want.
They saw video
I
of
want
it.
a creation of what should have been and what shouldn't have been.
Yeah. They watched a video of it, so they know.
I know you guys do a good job on your behalf, but
Yeah.
he's placing this on a physical. That's a wrestling.
He didn't say that. Physical's wrestling.
The dude was on top of me. How the f am I supposed to do?
I'm not sure. We'll find out.
He's lucky I didn't grab his Adam's apple. Or
Yeah.
his eyeball.
Yeah?
No
Yeah.
We're in the terminal.
Yeah.
If we were out there in the street, his eyeballs would have been gone.
Yeah.
You don't put me on the ground, I mean, like, oh, I'm just gonna stay here and see what happens.
Yep.
All right.
I was working up in North Carolina
Okay.
with a boss of mine,
Okay.
and he gave me right up to Norfolk, and I caught the flight out here. I had a couple drinks along the way,
It's fine. Nothing wrong with that.
and I got here, and I don't know what this guy wanted to tangle with, but as you can see the video, I'm on the bottom.
I saw it.
I'm on the
That's
bottom.
what I'm trying to figure out right now, but I know you were
I
talking.
figure shit out on the bottom.
Hold on. Because I know you were talking shit. I know that. And you know that.
What does that matter?
And, well, when he's pushing you to get you
If
away from
we
him and
can
you continue
say-
to go after him, then you're the aggressor. And he has a right to defend himself.
There's no time that there was any.
3 legal issues define this encounter, and at least one is a preventable constitutional exposure. First, under Florida Statute 916110, non-deadly force is justified when a person reasonably believes it counters imminent unlawful force. But paragraph section 76.1, the aggressor doctrine, is unconditional and absolute. It bars self-defense justification for Anyunho, initially provokes the confrontation. No severity threshold is required. Initiating physical contact is sufficient. Just an initiated contact made escalating threats and advanced on a retreating subject. 776.041 extinguished his self-defense claim before he could assert it.
There was any need to be.
If you're-
Oh, we're taking it to court. Write me up.
I didn't say
Throw
you-
me in jail. No, your word. I'm gonna charge you.
Oh, you're going to charge me?
With what
I don't
you
think
just
that's how
said.
this
Write
works,
me up with what you
I don't
said.
think this works.
No, I will sit in jail
You're
for
gonna-
what you said.
Listen, if you don't calm down now, you're going to go for something else other than the fight.
Either way, it doesn't matter. I got cameras.
Yeah, you do.
You're written it
100%.
up. You're
on
gonna
camera
write
right
it up
now.
with him.
You're on camera right now.
Yeah,
Smile.
but you're gonna defend that?
Buddy, I have a video.
That has no sense.
I have a video, pal. I
Yeah,
have all
it
these
doesn't
cameras
matter.
on
I
here
know.
and I have a video. And I
You
didn't did I
say
say anything
video,
about
and
you?
I'm defending
Did I
myself
say
on a
anything
video.
about
I'm
you?
saying you have a
Hey,
video.
stop talking. Not your turn. Did I say you're under arrest right now?
No.
No, I didn't. So why are you trying to escalate it to get to that point?
Because I want to go home.
Well, you ain't going home right now. We're trying to figure this out. You know better.
Yeah, I do.
Because it seems like this ain't your first rodeo.
And it's stupid.
It is stupid. So why are you doing it in a public place?
Some
Because you've been drinking.
he grabbed me.
Okay, well,
And I just wanna
got
put him in
video.
his
We gotta
place.
look at the video. Well,
The guy shouldn't have grabbed me.
okay, but did you end up putting him in his place?
Not actually.
didn't work.
Because he's still.
Well, we're looking at video. We'll see what's going on. All right, so you're gonna go for disorderly intoxication.
You gonna lock me up?
Yeah, for disorderly intoxication. Okay, because you disrupted business here. Obviously, you're boozed up. The battery. There's not gonna be a battery. Okay. You go with that?
So I gotta see a judge to get out?
You'll see a judge, first appearance, they'll give you bond, you'll be out.
Let's go. Somebody up in there.
Second, the charging decision. Officers filed disorderly intoxication under Graph 85611, a second-degree misdemeanor 60 days maximum, $500 fine. Battery under 784.03, a first-degree misdemeanor up to 1 year, was not charged. Justin admitted on camera to striking the other party. That admission satisfies every element of paragraph 784.031, a intentional touching against another person's will. Prosecutorial discretion is lawful. Undocumented discretion is not defensible. Third, Miranda. Justin was handcuffed, explicitly detained, and questioned substantively, without a single Miranda advisement. Under Miranda v. Arizona and Berkemer v. McCarty, custody turns on whether a reasonable person would feel free to end the encounter. Justin demonstrably could not. His admission, the only direct battery evidence, was obtained without Fifth Amendment protection. That is a prosecutorial vulnerability a competent defense attorney will exploit.
I don't think you're going to do that either. I don't think, hey, listen, I wouldn't go in with
I'm
the mentality
telling
of
you,
that.
you just f***ed up. I'm going in there and I'm probably not getting out.
Justin,
I'm just telling you your words.
I would
don't
assure you
fucking
the
matter.
deputies
You
are
already
not-
being
I'm not, hey,
bothering
listen,
me up.
we're not,
Yeah, you are. Come on. Let's go.
Sit down.
Let's go.
Sit down.
sit.
Let's go.
Sit down.
He's a big guy, Justin.
Let's go.
Sit down.
Sit.
Let's go.
Sit. Justin, sit. Sit.
Billy.
Let's go.
All right, you know what? Don't worry.
We're going to the
Send him
police
over real
station.
quick. Send him over real
Why
quick.
do we-
Send him over. Let me lock
why
him.
are
Let
we
me lock
down?
these up.
Okay.
Why are you wrestling me now?
Because we're not ready for you to go yet, Justin. And you're not listening to
You want to
us.
lock me up?
Is this your sister calling right now?
There's probably nobody calling.
There's somebody calling you. Your phone's ringing.
Huh? He's going.
Let's go.
Hey. Let's step it up.
Yeah, big bird. We got fucking troubles over here. Oh, peon going on over here.
Justin, just shut up for a second, please.
You got a charge. They're probably going to sober you up. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Let's
Sit.
not add anything.
Let's not add more to it. You know what? I just think that you're drunk. That's it.
What am I supposed to do for you?
Sober up, man.
Sober up.
When you go to the jail, don't cause any
Don't
problems.
cause some
Sober
stuff,
up.
and you'll be fine. You want your phone ID, and you got money in your pocket? Yes. Everything.
Yes.
Look. The reason.
Yes, I have a lot of money in my pocket.
Justin, look at me. Eyes. Calm down. Okay. It's not gonna do you no good. You're not gonna win this fight at this point.
It doesn't matter about winning.
Listen to me.
It's about surviving.
It's not about surviving.
You're a
for you and
man-made law dictator.
Look,
You're a
Justin,
man-made law
stop.
dictator.
This.
You're a man-made law dictator.
Let me know when you're ready to listen.
What difference we got? You understand that?
Let me
Then
know when you're ready
understand
to
me.
listen.
It doesn't matter if that's my phone or my bag. If you want to be kind to it, then that's on your behalf. What the f can I do with my hands behind my back?
You ready
You're
to
locking me up for defending myself against a
You
fool.
ready to listen? Hey, look. This has got to stay, Justin. So I'm asking you what you would like to go to booking with you.
Just throw it away.
I'm not doing that.
But come on, let's
Throw it the f away.
Yeah, you're a
You don't
alcohol
understand
tough
my
guy.
life.
The alcohol tough guy, man.
Dude, I am a badass.
No,
I'll
you're
flop
not.
you on your head if we're on a mat. If we're on a mat in the gym, I'll flop you.
That guy just flopped you. He just flopped you.
I was a nice guy and it wasn't a flop.
And you weren't a nice guy. He flopped you down and he was punching you in the face.
Then why isn't he locked up if he's punching me?
Because you started it and he had the
Did
right
you
to
just-
defend himself.
did you
Come
say
here.
he
Where you
was
want him? Over
punching
here. Tony.
You just say he was punching
Lean
me?
up against the truck.
Oh, this would be good for. This would be good. He was punching me in my face.
forward, buddy. It's a good thing you're not going to jail for battery then, isn't
So
it?
you said he was punching. Why would I get a battery charge if he was punching me in my face? If he flopped me on my face and punching me, why am I going to jail? I'm glad I got
Part of
this.
your problem is you don't know when to
I'm
shut
glad it's recorded.
up. It is 100%
You think
recorded.
I give a? I'm not a bad guy.
You're not a bad guy. Nobody said
No,
you're a bad guy.
This is
You
where
just make
this.
dumb decisions. That's
That's
it.
true.
That's true, right? Stand up against the car, please. I want to hold.
All right.
I'm gonna make big decisions, but I'm
Do you want your jacket to go? It's hot as junk out here. You want your jacket to stay here or go?
Whatever's gotta get thrown away, throw it away.
It's not getting thrown away. We keep it in our arrestee property for you. You can come back and get it. Okay?
I have a lot of money on me.
All right, we're gonna get it.
And I want it counted in front of me. I'm not kidding.
Look, have you ever been to jail?
Yeah.
Have you ever been in the chair
Yeah,
in
but
Hillsborough County?
No.
Don't get yourself in the chair, okay? It's uncomfortable. It doesn't feel good. And they'll leave you there for a couple hours. So just when you get there, mind your P's and Q's. See first appearance for the judge, and you'll be out. Okay? All you got charged with is.
So I gotta.
Hey, look at me. All you're getting charged with is disorderly intoxication. It's a misdemeanor. Don't
It's a
make it
lot.
worse. Disorderly intoxication? It's being drunk in a public place and causing a disturbance. It's a misdemeanor. Okay?
Yeah, but it's my name in the database.
Justin, it's nothing. It's a
Why don't I
misdemeanor,
get it
okay?
for killing somebody?
No, let's not talk about that. All right, hey, good luck, okay?
I appreciate you trying. You are a nice one.
But hey, listen, we all make mistakes, and all you did was drink a little too much. That's it. Okay? You're good. I'll see how much money was there again? 3,500. 3,501.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Grades. The lead officer receives a B+ sound legal reasoning, exemplary de-escalation, proportionate force throughout, offset by absent Miranda warnings and an underdocumented charging decision. Justin receives a D, the aggressor from first contact, a false initial denial, consistent verbal escalation. Party A receives a B-, legally defensible self-defense, credibility damaged by a false initial statement. 3 takeaways. 76.41 is categorical. An aggressor cannot retroactively claim victim status, regardless of the retaliatory force ultimately used against them. Handcuffed, detained, and questioned is custodial interrogation under Miranda. Formal arrest is not the threshold. And discretion must be documented. The difference between reasonable judgment and arbitrary enforcement exists only in the record. Share your thoughts on the charging decision in the comments below. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.